Blitzkrieg was a World War II military tactic that used surprise, speed, and an onslaught of concentrated firepower with the aim of ending a battle as quickly as possible. In a survival fitness plan context, it means an onslaught of strikes to your opponent from all angles. It is a primary fighting strategy in a self-defense situation. Make every strike as hard and fast as you can. Get in his space and claim it. Constantly push your opponent back and do not let up. Use Blitzkrieg to overwhelm your opponent at close range or as a complete start-to-finish fighting tactic. That is, start with long-range strikes and keep closing in until he's down. Constantly crowding your opponent in this way will unbalance him mentally and physically.